Hi, I'm Peter Brett from Talk Magazine, and today we're going to be looking at these Ironclad work gloves. These are the general pair of general weight. There's lots of things to like about them. Very easy to put on because, as you can see, the wrist is very wide, but it's very easy to close it so that you get them firmly on your fingers by using this hook and loop tab, and the nylon elastic back here keeps them feel tight and nicely on. If you look at the first two fingers, they have got a double skin on them so that you're protected top and bottom, and the thumb has got a sort of double thickness there. And then of course the palm is made with what looks like a sort of leather, but I don't think it is. And then you've got these bits here which are designed to move with your hands and provide grip and extra sort of wear protection over the parts where they're most likely to be gripped and worn. I use these for just general, when I was out and about, general work, and I found them very comfortable. My hands were happy inside them. They gave enough grip and they gave enough feel for the job that they could easily be used regularly. And the most important point really is the amount of protection and even a bit of warmth that they give you. Much heavier duty is the heavy duty ones. You can tell that's got heavy written there. Again, very easy to get on because your hands will fit in because of a very wide wrist, which can then be closed up with the hook and loop. Nice elastic back again, but you do notice that you're basically got sort of double protection almost everywhere, so that all the fingers and the thumb have a double protection and caps over the fingertips. You've got this much meatier knuckle protector there, and the palms, where it's likely to be wear, is a double layer of quite strong material. I was handling very rough masonry work and bricks and things like that with these, and protected my hands perfectly, just what I needed in that situation. So with these, I would definitely recommend them. They are very good work gloves. They have a lot of advantages in terms of the way they fit and the way they protect your hands. So yeah, great.